Hello and welcome to my video about my VR AR game prototype. My game is called 2020 Holiday Tour New York City. To create this game, I used the Iris software, and now I'm playing it on the app that accompanies the software. I will be describing my game, and I will also be discussing some of my playtest feedback and critique. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for joining me. So, it starts off like this. I'm going to hit New Game. It opens up the game, and it comes over here. The game's premise is a tour around New York City around the holidays. And it starts with this, and you'll be seeing me and my dog Ruthie a lot because we are the tour guides. Hello, we will be your tour guides. As a native New Yorker, I will share some of my knowledge and insider tips. I took lots of pictures so that you can see what I see in New York City during the magical holiday season. And you can hit whichever one you want to do. So, if I hit board the train, it'll bring me on the train. If you're not ready, you can do come back, and it'll bring you out to the map. Now, the one thing that I did notice with this, which was kind of annoying, is that once you're back in the map, to get back in to start, you have to go find Macy's, which is the first stop. But the player has to know that Macy's is the first stop if they decide not to join at the beginning. And you should be able to find Macy's on the map. Well, actually, I'm not finding Macy's on the map, so that's a problem. Here's the glitch right away. So if you hit no, then you're losing access to Macy's. So that's definitely something that would have to be fixed if I would, in later time. So now we miss out on Macy's. Let's just go to the Empire State Building. On the Empire State Building, you'll hit view. It'll take you around the Empire State Building. If you're done looking at the Empire State Building, you'd press continue. Next stop. The order is very user dependent. The one thing that I definitely would want to fix going forward would be to make the order a little bit more clear, because I would like this to be used as a companion tool for people who are actually trying to do the tour in the city, as well as a virtual tour. Of course, for the virtual tour, the order is not much of an issue because you're not going to be walking around. But if the person chooses to use it as a companion tour, it would be nice to have a clear beginning, middle, and end to the tour so the person could do this as, efficiently as possible. So I'd have to figure out how to make that a little bit more clear. But my intention is to go to the vessel next. So the person would next go to the vessel, you would hit that. And then the next stop, I'd like the person to go to be Bryant Park. And they can hit Bryant Park, open that one. One thing that was kind of difficult for me when using this app for the creation of my game was I would like to have included more pictures, but the program was kind of not allowing me to do that, because what you do is you make a conversation, and then with the conversation you can attach a plaque. I can never figure out how to attach more than one plaque to each conversation, so that's why there's only one picture per destination. I would have liked to include more pictures. I have tons of pictures from the city when I went to do this project. And then the next stop, the person would hit with the lion. Now, the lion is actually an object. That could be picked up. This could be a cute feature to use. I didn't really end up using it as much as I was going to initially when I created the game. It's kind of like a scavenger hunt type of thing. You pick up items, and then it stores it in this part of the app. If you would click inventory, you would see the items that you picked up. It's just another more interactive way. I didn't end up using it that much. Now, if you want to get back to the game, hit the map. And then the next stop would be Saks. Saks, I did encounter some technical difficulties. The light show, it wouldn't play. You'll see if I hit light show, if I hit that, it would turn black, and then I'd have to open the app all over again, which I'm not going to do right now. I wish that this would have worked, because I think it's cute to add in features that are more interactive. But hopefully, as I get more proficient, I can add these features in. I'm going to press continue. And then the Christmas tree will be the next stop, and then it would culminate at Radio City. So perhaps there's a way to add numbers to these stops so that, as I said before, people who are using this as a companion tour for their walking tour can actually know the order. This is something I'll definitely look into a little bit more if I was going to develop this app to be a little bit, to develop this app further. So thank you so much for watching my video about my playtime critique. And hopefully you can watch the other video that I have posted, which goes through the whole app and how I intended it to be played. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. And thank you for a wonderful semester.